Using PrizePicks NFL is a straightforward process that involves selecting players and predicting their performance in various statistical categories. To get started, create an account on the PrizePicks website or mobile app and deposit funds into your account. First, navigate to the NFL section of the platform and browse the available games and players. PrizePicks offers a range of players to choose from, including quarterbacks, running backs, wide receivers, and more. Each player has a set of projected statistics, such as passing yards, rushing yards, or receptions. Next, select the players you want to include in your entry and choose the statistical category you want to predict for each player. For example, you can choose Tom Brady to throw for over or under a certain number of passing yards. You can also choose multiple players and create a parlay entry, which requires all of your predictions to be correct in order to win. Once you have made your selections, enter the amount you want to wager and submit your entry. The payout for your entry will be determined by the number of players you have selected and the amount you have wagered. The more players you select, the higher the potential payout, but the more difficult it is to win. It is essential to research the players and teams before making your selections. Look at the players' past performances, the team's strengths and weaknesses, and any injuries or other factors that could impact the game. This will help you make informed decisions and increase your chances of winning. Another key concept to understand is the scoring system used by PrizePicks. The platform uses a point system to determine the winners, with points awarded for correct predictions and deducted for incorrect ones. The scoring system is as follows: 2 points for a correct over prediction, 1 point for a push, and -1 point for a correct under prediction. In addition to the standard scoring system, PrizePicks also offers a range of promotions and bonuses to help you get started. These can include deposit matches, free entries, and other incentives to help you build your bankroll and increase your chances of winning. Overall, using PrizePicks NFL is a fun and exciting way to engage with the sport and potentially win cash prizes. By following these steps and doing your research, you can make informed decisions and increase your chances of success. Remember to always gamble responsibly and within your means.